Doodle Heist. How to play. The object of the game is to be the first team to earn 7 or more points. Lay out the board and divide into 2 teams with at least 2 people on each team. Shuffle the green adjective card deck, then place 1 adjective card at the top and bottom of each column. Do the same with the white noun cards except with every row. Shuffle the key card deck and place it face down on the table along with the timer. Each team takes 2 matching colored guess tokens. Each team selects their first artist and lead guesser. At the beginning of each round, each team's artist takes 1 face-down key card and secretly looks at it so no one else can see. The letter on that card correlates to a space on the board, indicating which row and column for the words they need to draw to help their team guess their key letter. After both players see their card, play begins and both artists draw. The artists may not draw letters or numbers, use dashes to indicate word length, speak words other than yes or no after an official guess, use gestures, or use the drawing to indicate the physical location of the key letter. All the non-artists are allowed to talk openly with each other and may observe the other team's drawing and conversation. Your team's lead guesser can place a guess token on any space at any time. When they do, your artist immediately stops drawing and clearly states if the guess is correct or not. If your guess is correct, then your team scores 1 point and you can immediately try to steal the other team's point by guessing their key letter while they are still trying to guess it. Your artist may participate in this guessing. If you correctly guess their key letter before they do, then you score 1 more point and the round ends. If you guess their letter incorrectly, then flip the timer. Your opponents now have 60 seconds to guess their key letter. If they guess it correctly, they score 1 point and the round ends. But if your team's guess for your own key letter had been incorrect, then you flip the timer and your team stops talking. You don't score anything and you may not guess any more this round. Now, once your opponents have correctly guessed their own key letter, they will have however much time is remaining to guess your key letter. If they guess correctly, then they score 1 more point. If incorrectly, then they score nothing. When the time runs out, the round ends, and no one may make any guesses. Record the scores on a score pad. Flip all the adjective and noun cards, or replace them with new ones from the deck. Clear the boards. Return the guess tokens, and shuffle all the key cards. Rotate the role of artist and lead guesser with new players and play another round. The first team to get 7 or more points wins. In the event of a tie, continue playing until there is a winner.